Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. Today I want to show you how you can use AI to create world-class copywriting for your Facebook and Instagram ads. So I have this AI tool that can be used for many things. Actually, it's completely free. It's called AI PRM for ChatGPT. It's a Chrome extension, so you just go to Google, type that in, and find that, and then you could just connect it. Of course, you have to use a Chrome account or Chrome browser, and then it connects with ChatGPT. So I have it connected here, and ChatGPT is down here, and what you can use it for is all these things. It has 4,280 prompts, and it can write articles, SEO optimized articles, mid-journey prompts. It can write outrank articles from your competitors. It can make your YouTube script, keyword strategy, and so much more. But today I want to show you how you can use it to make, or just ChatGPT actually, not even this one. Just want to show you this one also. But with the ChatGPT you can make world-class copywriting for your Facebook ads. So I wrote a prompt here. It says, "You are a world-class copywriter and marketer. Please make 5 primary text and headlines and descriptions for Facebook and Instagram ads for my coaching business. I'm a business coach helping new entrepreneurs start their own coaching business in 90 days or less with money back guarantee." Of course, you make it applicable to your business, but I'm gonna copy that, go into ChatGPT, put this in down here, and let's see what it spits out. So already done making 5 ads. It only makes headlines and description, even though I asked it to make also a primary text. I'll ask it to make primary text then. So now it makes that, and then you can just go to, when you set up your ads, your Facebook, Instagram ads. I can show you here. I'm in my own ad account, and it's of course under the ads where you put in the text and the images and so on. And here there's a primary text. And here you can put in 5 different primary text. Just copy paste what the ChatGPT wrote, 5 different headlines, and just 1 description though. You can just choose the best one from the 5 that the ChatGPT made. And then you can also, of course, have a call to action. You can test different call to actions. But yeah, actually on Facebook and Instagram ads, you can do. Facebook will automatically test the different options, so it'll combine the different headlines and different headlines and primary text, combine them, and you can also put in different images or videos, and they'll all combine that and find the best ones. So it's kind of automatic. You use Facebook's algorithm to test different variations based on the individual person that is watching your ad. So it's really great. I have another video showing this a little bit more. So yeah, this is what I just want to show you today. If you have any questions, comment below. And they also have a freebie for coaches and consultants. If you run your own Facebook, Instagram ads, then I have a free template. There's a link in the description. You can go and download it for free there. And also, if you want us to do this for you, then we specialize in Facebook, Instagram ads for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. Link in the description. You can book a call with me or my team to learn more. Completely non-committal. And yeah, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube, that way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care, bye!